You're listening to Fluent Listening, English made simple through real-life stories. In episode 15, at the gym, Emily goes to a local gym for the first time, and Nathan shows her around and helps her with a simple workout. They talk about membership, lockers, warm-ups, basic machines, simple exercises, and how they feel during and after the workout. This episode is perfect for learning English you can use at the gym and when talking about exercise and health. Let's listen in.
Hi, Nathan. Thanks for coming to the gym with me today.
Hey, Emily, no problem. First time at this gym, right?
Yes, it's my first time. I feel a little nervous.
That's normal. We'll start simple. First, we need to check in at the front desk.
Okay. Do I just show my card?
Yes. You tap your membership card on the screen, and the gate opens.
Got it. Tap the card, and I'm in.
Nice. Welcome to your new gym.
It looks big. So many machines everywhere.
Don't worry. Today, we'll only use a few basic ones. Before we start, let's put our things in a locker.
Good idea. I have my bag and my jacket.
You can choose any free locker. Some need a code, some need a small coin.
This one uses a code. I'll set a number I can remember.
Perfect. And don't forget your water bottle and towel.
Yes, I have both. Is it okay to use my phone for music?
Sure, but keep the volume low and remember to be aware of people around you.
Right. And trainers are required, right?
Yes, sports shoes, comfortable clothes, and a towel are the basics.
Okay, I think I'm ready.
We always start with a warm-up to get the body ready.
What do you suggest?
Let's do 5 to 10 minutes on the treadmill. Walking is fine for today.
That sounds okay. I don't run much.
No problem. Just press quick start and set the speed to a slow walk.
Okay, I'm walking. This feels all right.
How do you feel?
A bit out of breath, but not too bad.
Good. After the treadmill, we can try the bike or the cross trainer.
I'd like to try the bike. It looks simple.
Great. We'll do a few minutes there too. Remember, slow and easy for your first day.
Thanks. I don't want to be too sore tomorrow.
Okay, warm-up done. Now let's do some light strength exercises.
All right. Which machine first?
Let's start with the leg press. It works your legs, but we'll keep the weight light.
Okay. How do I sit?
Sit with your back against the seat, feet on the platform. Then push slowly and bring it back slowly.
Like this?
Yes, that's good. Try 10 slow repetitions.
1, 2, wow, I can feel it.
After that, we'll do a simple machine for your arms, like the chest press or the rowing machine.
Maybe the rowing machine. It looks interesting.
Sure. We'll just do a short set so you can try it. Remember, good posture, slow movements.
Okay. I like that you keep saying slow.
Slow is safe on the first day.
I'm tired now, but it feels good.
Great. Let's cool down with a slow walk and some gentle stretches.
My legs feel heavy.
That's normal after exercise. Drink some water and breathe slowly.
Thanks. I don't usually exercise this much.
You did really well for a first session.
I like the gym more than I expected. The music and lights make it feel active.
Yes, and it's good for your health, energy, and mood.
I think I'll sleep well tonight.
Okay, let's get our things from the locker and head out.
Right. Code in. Locker open. Everything's still here.
Nice. So, how was your first gym experience?
Honestly, better than I thought. I was scared, but now I feel proud.
You should be. The first step is the hardest.
How often do you think I should come?
Maybe 2 or 3 times a week to start. Short, simple workouts.
That sounds realistic.
If you like, we can come again on Wednesday after work.
Yes, let's do that. Wednesday at the gym.
Perfect. See you then.
Thanks for all your help today.
Thank you for listening to Fluent Listening, episode 15, at the gym. In this episode, Emily and Nathan went to the gym together, checked in, used lockers, did a simple warm-up, tried basic machines, and talked about how they felt during and after the workout. Let's review some useful gym phrases. It's my first time at this gym. saying you're new. We need to check in at the front desk. Talking about entering the gym. Let's put our things in a locker. Keeping your things safe. We'll start with a warm-up. Beginning the workout. How do you feel? Asking about someone's body and energy. That's normal after exercise. Reassuring someone about feeling tired. The first step is the hardest. Encouraging phrase for new habits. These phrases are perfect for beginner conversations about fitness, joining a gym, and talking about simple exercise routines in English. Stay with us on Fluent Listening as we continue exploring everyday English in real conversations. See you in the next episode.